Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Honda HR-V versus Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The HR-V is known for its versatile interior and impressive gas mileage, while the Eclipse Cross stands out with its robust warranty and standard all-wheel drive. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer a smooth ride. The Honda HR-V generally delivers superior fuel economy, often reaching 28 to 30 miles per gallon combined. In contrast, the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross typically gets 25 to 26 miles per gallon combined. While neither is a powerhouse, they both provide reliable and efficient performance for city commutes and highway cruising. Inside, the Honda HR-V often feels more spacious, offering 4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross provides 4 cubic feet of cargo space, which is still quite practical. Both vehicles come equipped with user-friendly infotainment systems and a suite of safety features designed to keep you connected and secure on the road. For long-term value, the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross truly shines with its impressive 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, offering significant peace of mind. The Honda HR-V comes with a standard 3-year or 36,000 mile basic warranty. Consider your priorities: superior fuel economy and interior space with the HR-V, or a longer warranty and standard all-wheel drive with the Eclipse Cross. Don't forget to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.